Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to practice alternative breathing technique. So let's begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. Sit down in comfortable position with your back, neck and spine straight. Your hands can be in Chin Mudra, Gyan Mudra, Bhairavi Mudra or in comfortable position. And for a few moments you want to become aware of your breath as we're going to work with our breath. Simply becoming aware the ingoing and outgoing process of breathing. Now bring your hand into Vishnu Mudra. So bringing your index and middle finger onto your palm. And we're going to use the ring finger and the thumb to practice. First of all, 2 abdominal breathing. So breathe into your abdomen long. Breathe out completely. Another breathe in. Breathe out. Now full breathe in and breathe out completely. And close your right nostril. Breathing in left for about 4 seconds. And breathe out right for about 6 to 8 seconds. Breathe in right. Close. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Drop your hand down, keep your eyes closed, hands back on the knees. Become aware how this simple, easy breathing technique can bring your mind into peacefulness, calmness, and easiness comes. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. So these are the simple, easy exercises that you can practice to stay healthy and keep all the disease away from you. So keep practicing them and let me know how it goes. Comment below if you have any question. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.